how to delete emo profile picture. So if you want to delete your emo profile picture, then first you need to open up your emo application. Once you open up your emo, now you need to go with the upper left, which has your profile section. Under profile, now you need to tap on the photo that you have. Tap on the photo and it will take you to your photo, right? So you just need simply go with the camera shaped icon, which is on the top right. And here you will have an option to remove the photo. But if you don't have an option to remove the photo, then what you need to do is just simply go with your emo avatar or take a photo right now. So in order to remove your photo, you can add a black screen or a white screen kind of interface so that you don't need to enter your real photo or the photo that you have your face in it. So tap on choose a photo or take a photo. Go with while using the application and take a blank photo. Go with the tick which is on the right side, bottom, and go with the tick again. And that's it. Your profile picture will be changed. That's it. That's how you can delete your emo profile picture. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.